School. I didn't know a lot about the Arctic, but when my teacher, Ms. Kaden, was on the U.S. Haley, I got to learn a lot about Arctic.
The study of ice is very interesting because global warming could affect us in many years to come. And if we don't do anything to prevent it, then what's going to happen to us in the future?
Physics is an enjoyable subject for me because it's the study of everyday life.
After the miss, I'm a junior taking physics with Miss Kaden. I was able to use a satellite phone that she brought. It was super cool. I was able to talk to almost anyone in the world, including the aliens.
Marks, I'm a graduating senior from Hannah High School. I bought a little stuffed animal, it was a lobster, and I gave it to Miss Kaden, and she took it up to the North Pole and brought it back, and it was really awesome to think that my stuffed animal went to the North Pole.
It was very fascinating to see the big ship breaking ice and to learn of the researchers' findings.
Hello, I'm a physics student at Homer Hannah High School and my name is Humberto Mendoza. Ms. Kaden helped me with my science fair project. Also helped me a lot to learn and acquire information about the North Pole, the magnetic field, and the aurora borealis.
My name is Robbie Rios, and I'm from Hannah High School. I'm a junior taking Physics AP. While I was sitting in class, my physics teacher was in the North Pole on the Healy ship, and fortunately for me, I was able to speak to her telecommunications via teleconference. It is unique to speak to my teacher while she was in the North Pole and I was in class in real time. From Brownsville to North Pole, there's a lot of mileage and probably ice and land.
The hands-on learning experiences that I had in my physics class last year have inspired me to take Physics AP.
Physics last year was awesome.
When Miss Kaden came back from the North Pole, I learned a lot. I learned about what's out there and things of that sort, and she introduced to me a satellite phone, and with that I became really interested in navigation.
My name is Victoria Robles and I'm a graduating senior at Hannah High School. Mrs. Kaden's scientific experiences in the Arctic influenced me to take science as a major in my college endeavors.